Seed Germinator is a DAPN technology accelerator for the Tron network, where exclusively seed holders are able to vote for and invest in Seed Germinator projects. How does Seed Germinator work? The Seed Germinator is a platform designed to allow the community to interact directly with projects. On Seed Germinator, you can visit open and eligible projects to view project details, including launch schedule, funding requirements, and community rewards. Projects will accept seed tokens for investment. When contributions to a project are made, information is maintained live by monitoring the deposit address on the Tron blockchain, displaying up-to-date funding information. How are projects selected? Project proposals are submitted to Seed Germinator, where they are initially reviewed to ensure they meet Sesame Seed standards and guidelines. After meeting these requirements, the proposal is reviewed by the Seed Advisory Board. Comprised of community members, in addition to the Sesame Seed team, the Seed Advisory Board acts to approve projects submitted to the Seed Germinator platform. The board works directly with developers to establish a clear funding, milestone, and marketing plan. Once the process is complete, Sesame Seed and the developer agree on the funding terms to finalize a launch plan for the project. The project is then shared with the community on the Seed Germinator platform. How to vote and fund projects. Projects on the Seed Germinator platform will have a wallet address assigned to them. To vote and fund projects, seed holders can simply find the project they'd like to support and send tokens to its address. This can be done using any Tron wallet, including tronscan.org and Seedit. How is a project successfully funded? Projects are listed with both soft cap and hard cap requirements. The soft cap is the minimum funding for a project. When met, it is considered approved and is eligible for funding. Projects that meet the soft cap are considered approved, at which point Sesame Seed will commit to the agreed-upon funds from the 10% developer fund. Funding can continue beyond the soft cap until the hard cap, maximum allowable contribution, is reached, or time expires, whichever happens first. At this time, no further deposits are allowed. All funds contributed to a project are held in an escrow account to be converted to TRX prior to funding the developer. At this time, Sesame Seed will coordinate any reward disbursement to the community that funded the project as outlined in the community proposal, using the originating address of seed token contribution. If a project fails to meet the soft cap within the time frame, Sesame Seed will not disperse funds, and all community contributions will be returned to the originating wallet addresses. Seed Germinator is a platform for developers to interact with the community, to fund projects the community wants, and to build a better Tron ecosystem. For more information, visit seedgerminator.sesameseed.org or contact the Sesame Seed Advisory Board at germinate@sesameseed.org. Let's build things together. To learn more about Sesame Seed and the Seed Germinator, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to never miss a video.